Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Welcome back to another Schema Scalper video. Um, in today's video, we're going to be looking at range expansions, and in particular, we're going to be looking at. Okay, this is a video one of three. We're going to be looking at Asian range expansions, central bank dealers range expansions, and flout. So all of this are from a guy on the internet called ICT. He's he has a cult-like following, so it's kind of weird that I resonate with a lot of the stuff that he says. I don't really, or let's not say resonate. I like the stuff that he does. I don't always agree with the stuff that he says. Let's put it like that. So what he does is he's a really good analyst. I don't know about trader, but from what he's showing and how he's making me and thousands, hundreds of thousands of other people look at the market is really insane. And I think you really need to sit through his rants and through his sometimes BS. But at the end of the day, there is a lot of value. And through all educators and mentors and people on YouTube, there is a lot of value. So just choose one, follow them. I'm not saying follow them blindly. Follow them, look at what they're doing, how they're doing it, and lifestyle that they're living. Yeah. Are they actually trading, or is this money from sponsorships and training / coaching / signal services? Okay, back to the video. Today we're going to be looking at the Asian range expansion, and we're going to be looking at True Asia. Now I call it True Asia just because with this guy ICT, he's quite tricky. And by tricky I mean he'll say something and then go against what he said, and you need to choose which one is true, which one is real, which one is reality, and which one is just a lie, a myth, a legend. So I'm going to be looking at what I believe to be true. I don't follow this like religion. I don't follow anything like religion. All things work until they don't, and all trends trend until they end. So let's get into it. So the time we're looking at is 8 p.m. to midnight. This is all New York time. Don't ask me why that is such an important time. I don't know. In this, I don't know. I don't understand why it works. I just know that it works. Okay. Don't take my word for it. Go and look at the charts, and I'm gonna show you how to use this time. You're gonna see there's a couple of days when it doesn't work, and yeah, just take it with a pinch of salt. It happens. This is trading. There's only 3 guarantees in life: death, taxes, and losing money in trading. If you put money in a real account. I'm not advocating for live trading, but there are these 3 constants in every person's life that has ever taken a trade. Okay, I'm not going to say taking a trade, taking a series of trades. Let's just say that. More than 20. So if you've taken more than 20 trades and you've won all 20, please go play the lotto. You will become a billionaire. Let's look at this. So this is how I use the Asian range expansion. I take the highest high from 8 p.m. to midnight, and I take the lowest low in that time range. Then I put on my fib that says Asian range expansion. I don't know if I spell expansion right, but you know, works for me, works for me. Now, bit of tweaking. Usually I put it on like that with a 0.5 and in either direction, just because sometimes market just goes there and then reverses off that level. But let's use full levels. You'll see something spectacular. -4 standard deviation. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 times this Asian range. low of the day. I'm making it look easy and sound easy, and it's really not. Or maybe it is. But that marks the low of the day. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, low of the day. Okay. Let's do another one. This is all this week's trading, by the way. Tuesday, 8 p.m. until midnight. Oh no, that's the wrong time. Oops. 8 p.m. till midnight. Highest high, lowest low, and we are going to mark it out. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. Just the times that it works, go make a YouTube video that it worked. We say that. Make a YouTube video that it worked, and create a mentorship. Yeah, we love those. 2 standard deviations, close to the high of the day, but fell maybe 2.5. So this one, you can see it didn't really work. It's almost like support and resistance. Like I can draw a random line over there and say that's support, that's resistance, because look. Okay, let's just do it. Random line. Oh, it hit it there. It hit it there. It hit it there. Oh no. All of a sudden, it hit it there, but support turns to resistance, or resistance turns to support, and now it's going further up. Oh, it broke it again, but now it's support turns to resistance. I'll just put it on another random point there. Boom, it hit it there. That's support, resistance. It hit it. Oh, it's working until it doesn't. I'm not saying support and resistance doesn't work. I'm saying on its own, nothing works. You need to combine this with other factors, and maybe sometimes other disciplines of trading. So if you're using this range expansions, maybe you're going to be using it with, let me think, moving average crossovers, or average true range. What's it? Average daily range. I don't know what that's called. I think average daily range, average true range, ATR, average true range. Or you're using it with stochastic, or whatever you're using it with. But you need to use these things in conjunction with other tools. This is not a be all end all. Even though it looks like it's catching the high of the day. Let's do it here. 8 o'clock to midnight. Okay, now we are doing this high, the extreme high, and the extreme low. Okay, boom, low of the day. And now it's almost gone to the high of the day. Not yet, but almost. Wait, did I choose the right range? Yeah, I did. So that's literally today's trading. Low of the day, almost to the pip, and then high of the day. I don't know, maybe that's the high of the day. Let's see, 1.27456. So let's say 450. 1.27450, high of the day, maybe. Who knows? It's quite close. And again, we need to use this in conjunction with other things. Okay, that was Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. Let's look at Monday. Once again, I'm not saying this is the best thing since sliced bread, but I'm saying go and look into it, because there are some really, really interesting things that happen with these range expansions. So that's the lowest low, highest high, almost reaches one stand. Oh, it did. End of day. Okay, nice. High of day, it hits it. The low of day, 3 standard deviations at 10:50. Bah. Simple as that. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Take a time, find the high, the low, put a Fibonacci, and I'll show you the Fib settings now. So it goes 1 and 0, so that's the start of the range and the end of the range, the Asian range, the high and low extremes. And then -1 is 1 multiple in the direction, 2 multiples, 3 multiples, 4 multiples, 5, 6. I don't know why I use 6.5, 7, 7.5. I can't remember why I did that, but just say 6, 7, 8. Yeah, same thing on this side. So 2 is the first multiple because 1 is already used for the range. So 2 is 1 expansion, 3 is 2 expansions, 4 is 3 expansions in the direction of the range, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get it. So this is my Fib settings for Asian range expansions, and usually I have this on and this on as default. Yeah. Hope you guys found that insightful. Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. Maybe this is just all fluff. Who knows? Cheers.